Welcome to the AI Ireland podcast, your window into the world of AI innovation on the island of Ireland. Join us as we explore how AI is harnessed to tackle both business and societal challenges, revealing the cutting-edge solutions emerging from this vibrant AI community. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and insights in the world of AI. Hello everyone, it's Mark Kelly here. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world today. And in run up to the AI Awards, I'm very happy to welcome Beata Dagiel, Head of International Business Development at Software Interactive, and Sławomir Paszko, Senior Developer at Software Interactive. Beata and Sławomir, thank you very much for joining us on the podcast today.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
So congratulations to you. You're finalists for this year's AI Awards in Best Application of AI and Sustainability. So you have got for an AI tracker, which is developed by AISP, which automates traffic measurements using AI, recognizing 22 vehicle categories with high accuracy. It addresses inefficiencies in traditional methods, offering faster, cost-effective, and precise traffic data by supporting sustainable city planning. AI tracker enhances urban infrastructure, reduces carbon emissions, and promotes active transportation. Personally, I love this application, and I always like to let everyone know, although I review every single finalist and every single application for the awards, I'm not involved in the judging, but I really like the way that your application impacts all of society and the thought process around it. So I'm really excited to kind of delve into more details about that. But before we do, can you tell us a little bit more about the company, what you do, how you look to try to help customer problems?
Software Interactive was established 17 years ago in 2007 in Poland by two PhD researchers, Michael Świderski, who is now the company CEO, and Tomasz Wojdyła, our CTO. Their vision was to establish a state-of-art, so to say, software development company that would be, first of all, developing bespoke software to match the unique scenarios and pain points for our customers, and secondly, supporting ongoing projects in other companies with top quality expertise. Therefore, Software Interactive has always had a reputation for using the latest technologies. We are obviously an artificial intelligence and machine learning powerhouse. We are known for employing only the highest level of skills and offering unmatched quality with astonishing speed of action. This is very important. I have to mention that Michael, our CEO, is an ultra-marathon trail runner. Therefore, speed and performance are, so to say, written into Software Interactive's makeup. Since then, the company grew to over 170 highly skilled developers, divided into a number of PhD-led teams. And we now have offices in Poland, in Ireland, in Cork, in Dubai, in Toronto, Canada, Leipzig in Germany, and in London in the UK. So
that's exciting.
Very exciting times for us. Provide bespoke software development solutions ranging from business process automation, CRMs, risk assessment, process optimization, production forecasting, quality control. It's a long list. We always say that software is really industry agnostic. We also have a team in Toronto who's dealing with financial services, doing real-time financial risk analysis, P&L and attributions, and big data analytics, and many more. So
brilliant. That's a very good overview. Sławomir, you're a software developer. So today you're going to kind of give us a little bit of an overview about the kind of the project that was submitted, and maybe more some of the kind of technicalities that are there.
Exactly. To be honest, I'm a software developer, but I'm also a founder of AISP. It's a separate company owned by Software Interactive, our startup, which provided a tracker to the market, to the Polish market. So I would like to show some cases and a bit of history of this project. I think that in Software Interactive, we believe that smart cities needs precise traffic counting to optimally control the traffic data, To optimally plan the city, we need information about resident movements or transit in the city, or also for CO2 estimation, for savings estimation, we need real-time traffic data. This problem of real-time traffic measurement had some historical approaches in Poland. Because while ago, human observers were counting the roads and measurements which were placed or ordered by government or city councils. The second approach was to use traffic recording and subsequent human counting after the recording. And our solution was to automate this process, to use AI, very precise AI trained on real data from videos, from recordings, to detect all the vehicles categories and pedestrians. So this was our idea, because thanks to the progress of computer vision research in the recent years. And our MVP was made in 2020. Our system recognized about now 22 categories, both vehicles and humans, pedestrians, and also we have 98% accuracy on our validation data set. It's mean average precision of AI detection and recognition classification of objects. So this was the idea, and this idea met our Polish market and was a success. A lot of Polish companies wanted to use it, are using it now to automate their traffic measurements. This is a bit of our history. This was the original problem we would like to solve, and we used AI for recognition. It also gave us a lot of other opportunities, like, for example, we can anonymize vehicles, anonymize license plates, or recognize license plates, because there are separate kind of measurements where license plates are being read and being matched from different measurement points. Yes.
It's wonderful. It's wonderful because it gives so many people different insights that can help make better decisions across so many different stakeholders.
Exactly.
Maybe I can show something a bit, because one picture sometimes says more than thousands of words. So our customers are using our software to design a measurement of traffic. They can, for example, draw a cross-section to select only this part of the road or this part of the road. They can also define relations, for example, cars moving this way, or they can separate the second lane. It can be also counted like that. Also, they can design velocity distance, velocity measurement distance. Here is one defined to recalculate the trajectories, because trajectories are here visible, and each car has own trajectory, and if it's crossing the two separate parts of this distance measurement, it could be recalculated to the velocity. And we have also these velocities in our results. Our software is generating charts, results, which can be stored in report or sheets, and could be given to the council, to the government, and used for better measurements. And our customers could, for example, measure the whole day and night, have the total impact total number of each category of vehicles, and can, for example, estimate the CO2 from this data, or sometimes estimate future traffic congestion, or even noise pollution.
It's wonderful. You know, you're so right about the picture telling 1,000 words. If you're listening to the podcast, I strongly recommend that you go onto YouTube and watch the video, because it really kind of brings to life the application about what you're using and how you're using it as. And again, so many other wonderful applications come to mind about how you can actually use this for good, and giving different types of insights for businesses as well. So there's so many different ways and applications that you can actually bring to pass here.
Exactly.
Yeah, it can be used, to reduce traffic congestion. Obviously, that's the first thing that comes to mind. Then a decision about public transport, where to implement it, and maybe even follow it. Sławek was confirming that you could check if the bus was delayed or not. You could have that information as well, knowing how how accurate the public transport is. Then, of course, any data-driven decisions about infrastructure and smarter cities and sustainable use of the spaces in the cities. Many decisions for traffic management, for traffic engineers, for security reasons as well. I think ideal way into the future, how we would like it to be managed.
Yeah, and the wonderful aspect of this is you can just pick this up and go into like every city around the world, every country in the world, and show how this has been put into play. And so there's the opportunity then to anonymize all this data as well. So making sure that for people's rights are not being infringed upon, and things like that as well.
Exactly.
Sławek, do you want to say a few words about the anonymization?
Exactly, it's possible. I would like first I would like to show the thing which Beata said. For example, we can also filter the data, so we can find all the buses in the data and jump to the exact moment when bus arrives, and it's possible for our customers, for example, if they are measuring human exchange, for example. They sometimes measure the bus stops and the number of people going out, going in. So it's easier to find the buses, the moment which should be checked, for example, or even automatically counted, for example, using this cross-section functionality. Yes, we have the anonymization service for our customers, because in Poland it will become, I think, industry standard for these types of measurements, to always anonymize the data, and people using our software can anonymize the data, choose license plates, pedestrians, or all vehicles even. So this is also possible. This anonymized video will be processed, and as a result, we will retrieve new video with blurred every
Brilliant.
object.
That's fantastic. And Beata, when you look at the kind of the vision and the additional problems and impact that you're looking to probably solve, where do you go from here?
Sky is the limit, isn't it, with artificial intelligence and machine learning now. So, of course, our mission is to empower businesses, with the state-of-art, custom-built software solution that drive sustainable growth, really. Because people are looking for off-the-shelf solutions, not realizing that you could actually pick a company like ours, and we could build something for you that will solve your problems. Then you own the code, you can resell it if you want to. But many off-the-shelf solutions are legacy solutions that don't have the sustainability imprinted in them. So sometimes you need to think outside the box, and that's our goal, to empower people on their roads to digitalization and sustainability.
Yeah. Because they have got such wonderful proprietary data. And then if you can build kind of custom models and put custom solutions for them, that actually helps kind of bring to the fore what their unique offering is, they can then sell that on as a business solution, because there's such key insights that they can actually look to build. And
they are the company who understand it really well, so they would be the perfect people to resell it, and many of our customers do.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And thank you so much for sharing some insights, and for this year's AI Awards finalists. Thank you very much, Beata and Sławomir from Software Interactive. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you so much, Mark. It was a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much.
On the 26th of November, join us for the 6th Annual AI Awards at the Marco Hotel in Dublin. This year's event promises to be our largest and most impressive yet, with over 300 community members in attendance and over 48 applications of AI in action. This truly is an incredible world-class event, and we are inviting you to this event. Experience the excitement live, because we're going to be capturing this with a world-class film crew, and it's going to be streamed online. However, if you want to join us in person, book your table now, because opportunities are limited. If you're interested in sponsoring this year's awards, please contact me at Mark@AI Awards for more information and see the best in class of AI applications on the island of Ireland.